Welcome to a quick guide on how to prevent displaying photos you're tagged in from specific friends on Facebook using the latest update on the PC app. If you've ever worried about certain tags showing up for people you don't want, this walkthrough will help you take control. First, open Facebook on your PC and sign into your account. You'll start from the homepage ready to adjust your tagging settings. Next, hover over or click your profile picture at the top right corner to access your profile and account options. From the drop-down that appears, select Settings and Privacy to open a broader menu. In the New panel, click on Settings. This is where Facebook stores all of your account preferences, from security to visibility. Look for the option labeled Profile and Tagging. It handles what people can post to your profile and how your own tags are managed. Within Profile and Tagging, you'll find the section that says Who can see what others post on your profile. This setting controls the visibility of posts you're tagged in that appear on your timeline. To tailor this for certain friends, click the drop-down menu next to that line to open the options. Choose Friends Except from the list. This option lets you exclude specific friends from seeing posts you're tagged in on your profile. After selecting Friends Except, a list of your friends will appear. Here, carefully tick or select the friends you want to exclude. By choosing them, you ensure that their posts won't be visible on your timeline in tagged photos or posts. Once you've made your selections, click Done to confirm. It's a simple save that updates your profile's tagging rules. From now on, the people you excluded won't see tagged photos on your profile, even if you're tagged in them. To summarize, open Facebook on PC, access your profile picture menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, select Profile and Tagging, choose who can see what others post on your profile, pick Friends Except, select the friends to exclude, and finish with Done. This keeps your timeline cleaner and your tagging circle more private without blocking those friends entirely.